A3.
Yes, guys. Good morning. This is my second time na mag-breakfast kami. So, ang dami nilang Okay. Ayan. Sige, kain muna kami, ha. This is my third day here in Bay City Cafe. Bay City Cafe here in City, guys. I have boneless bangus. Sana boneless siya, no? Boneless. We have the Hungarian sausage there. Tapa, beef tapa, fried rice, and parang sauteed vegetable. And I have also a few of macaroni salad and melon and egg omelette. So let's eat, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, mga Ferdivas. It is my third day here to eat dito sa breakfast sa Bay City Cafe dito sa City Giants, Bay City, Manila. So, breakfast tayo. Maganda kasi, masarap kasi yung breakfast nila dito. Ayun. Kaya, may kita point nakakain dito. Pag may chance. Heavy breakfast talaga, guys, kasi ito lang yung kain natin, no? The whole day, kasi we're gonna be busy for the whole day for the show at walang time kakain talaga, kaya you have to take care of yourself. Kumain ng heavy breakfast first. Important meal of the day is breakfast, guys. So yun, ito makita yung mga kasamahan kong iba, sila Ate Maribik, baka ano na sila, Hungarian sausage. Sarap yung Hungarian bread. Masarap yung kanilang garlic rice nila. So good. Let's try the beef tapa. Sweet. Tasteful. Well, na bangus. Naing na bangus. Ang dagulay, vegetables. Kailangan natin kumain ng vegetables. Kahapon, 2 days, wala akong vegetables eh. Kasi kumainit ng ulo ko. We need to eat vegetables. Yung kape natin. Talaga po ng kape. Malambot yung tapa.
Hirap kung deep na eh.
Alam mo lang kasi kasi may toyo. Parang may toyo, soy sauce or oyster sauce ba yan? Hindi alam ko ano ito yan. Ginawa ko na lang. Mas yung bread. Hindi siya, guys. May nanawa, di ko alam. Maluwag to eh. Alright. Okay din yung beef tapa. Sarap yan. try nyo dito sa Bay City Cafe, dito sa City Dines, Bay City, Manila. Check-in kayo dito. Okay, maroon sila ang kanilang buffet breakfast. Really, really good. Mostly Filipinos, meron naman continental. Marami kang variety, guys. So many dishes to choose from. Everyday nagpapalit sila ng ano eh. Everyday iba-ibang menu nila. Everyday nagpapalit sila ng menu for their breakfast, kaya hindi nakakasawa. Kaya everyday parang excited kang pumunta at itry yung mga iba-ibang breakfast ng all-time favorites Filipino dishes dito. At masarap siya. Sulit talaga. Chicken daw to eh. Kata ko nga, chicken daw to. Sarap. The egg section is here. The same. Meron silang may tapa pandesal dati kasi St. Benedict ngayon. Have the tapa pandesal. Hindi ko na-try yan. Soft boil, hard boil is there. Punta tayo dito. Diba? Bakonji ngayon, oh. Bakonji, yan. So, mag-soup. Mickey D, is there. Ayan, sarap yung kanilang Hungarian sausage. Yan, plain rice at yung sarap ng bangus nila dito. Yan. Bread section is here, pastries. Hindi ko ito na-try. May mga waffles pa sila. This is the vegetable area. And vegetable is there. Harap, diba?
This is fine. This is like coconut.
Yung sauces mo yan. Nalagay mo cucumber. Diba? Vegetable is there. May cheese, sarap po. Sa susunod na lang ulit, ha? Ayan, sige. Guys, I got the apple juice here. Pero sobrang tamis pa. Hindi, ibig ko sabihin ang asim niya. Kaya pala, asim. Pero overall, I enjoyed my breakfast every time I'm here in City Bay Cafe. I always enjoy my breakfast. Overall, okay naman siya. Masarap naman siya. And every day is different Filipino all-time favorite dishes na nandito na siniserve nila dito. Kaya hindi kayo magsasawa na to try Filipino all-time favorite breakfast. Yan, mga dishes na hinahain. Para ka nasa bahay ka lang. Ganon. Pero ibang ano lang. So guys, yun. Thank you very much. Thank you. I hope you like all my videos. And you also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye-bye.